Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to add spacing to a gallery where the images look like they're stacked really close on top of one on top of the other. If I click on my gallery here, there's no spacing really in between the individual images. There is spacing in between the columns, but between the rows there isn't. So let's try and fix that. The easiest way to go about doing that is, as you're on the site, be sure to be logged into your site. You can make sure that you're logged in because you'll be able to tell that you're logged in because you'll have the black bar at the top, and you'll have the welcome and then your username, and then there should be a little avatar up in here in the corner. You'll get your username, edit my profile, and log out if you hover over that information. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're on the gallery page because I clicked on that so that I could show you the spacing in between. We're going to go over to Edit with Elementor, and we're going to click on that. That'll cause Elementor to open, and here we can see the different segments that are making up this page. We want to navigate over to where the images are, and in this particular container I want to click on the little blue square with the pencil in it. That's gonna bring up the edit screen for the image gallery, and then your title bar is going to read Edit Basic Gallery. First thing underneath it is content. The next one is style. Style is what's important here. You've got spacing. Spacing right now is set to 0. If it were to be default, which is what it normally populates in at, it's basically the default is 0. So what we're going to do is we want it in custom, and then we want to start adding space by moving the slider. And as you see, the more spacing I put in, they're going to start drawing themselves out further and further. So I think about it, 18 should be good. This is also where if we wanted to display captions, if we have them on our pictures, we can also go ahead and set that up right here as well. But seeing I was coming here to fix the spacing in between. That's all I need to do. So I'm just going to hit update. You update that. Come back out here. And we'll test to see how well it looks. It looks good enough for me, I think. There's enough spacing in between to show that they're individual pictures. So again, that's all you need to do to add spacing in between your images. If you find yourself having that problem, this is the solution for that issue. Thank you for listening to me, and hopefully you'll find this tutorial helpful. Thank you.